Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to do the it's like a mega science lab thing in a box. It's like that. Yeah, it's pretty much, you can do all these fun activities.
It's a Smithsonian science lab.
Today we are going to be doing the volcano. So, you need little dots in the cardboard circle, and then this tubing, and then you need this like little cap at the bottom to hook it on, this little foam tape, string, and plaster. When you do it, cut to 4 to 6 inches. So let's get started. So first, we need to get this.
You're going to take this and stick it on the middle.
Yes, stick it to the middle. Uncover both sides when you do this. So this is going to be pretty fun, I hope.
Okay, right in the middle.
Right there, right?
Yeah. Okay, and then stick to the tube right in the middle. It's going to be in the middle.
Right there?
Okay, that looks good.
Yeah, that looks good. Okay, now we need to put string in it. Oh, you're going to have to do this, Dad.
Okay.
If you're a kid, make sure you have help. Or me.
King Kong kid, maybe you should hold that up for your father to read. Yeah, there you go. Not in front of your face, though. Just until he gets the string in, King Kong kid.
I'm coming down with a cold.
It's that time of year.
Yeah, winter. Do you need this up anymore? Dad?
No, you can set it down for now.
Okay. So while I'm waiting, it's been a fun time in the beginning of the channel, and I hope we have just a wonderful time with this YouTube channel, and it's really fun to do, so leave a thumbs up. Hit whatever, how many likes you want. How many you want. I don't care. Just subscribe, please. Subscribe.
And we have to undo this whole thing.
Okay, cool. Can I do it? We're gonna have a lot of string.
Okay, hang on.
There's a lot of string here.
And we got into a little knot here at the end.
Don't put it in a knot, sweetie.
It's too late. It's already in the knot.
No,
sweetie.
I'm talking to Kaden. Leave it.
I'm trying to get it untangled. I get it untangled.
Okay, so we're going to just cut this in here. Okay, like I said, this is going to take 10 minutes in and of itself.
So,
Where's the pin that you used to push these through?
oh, she missed a hole right there. Or your fingers coloring, I don't know. Reading from Waka. Oh my gosh, it's on the branch. The string is literally on the branch. Ooh. So these are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need vinegar, a plaster that comes with it, that stuff comes with it, and some baking soda. These things don't come with.
I believe it's baking powder.
Oh yeah, baking powder, you mean, not baking soda. Do we need both of the vinegar or not? Okay.
Well, we're quite a ways off from needing any of that. Yeah, but
Just getting it ready. Hello, Mother. Hello, Father. Greetings from Kikiwaka.
we may need to
Stop the video.
stop the video and go to part 2 after we get this all done. So what we're going to do is loop the string through all these holes and loop it around the tube until we make kind of a pyramid, well, not a pyramid, but a mountain shape with the string. And then we're going to lay our plaster of Paris over the string.
Yes, that's correct.
But as you can see, this is going to take a really long time.
Unless we just edit this out.
So shall I quit? Put pause or stop?
Can we stop it?
Yeah, for now, go ahead and zoom in on that so they see what we're doing.
Zoom. How do you zoom in?
It's the zoomer button.
How does Mom know what the zoomer button is? I even don't. I don't even. Looks like something got messed up there. Looks like it. I don't know why.